Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the properties of the soil, which include soil formation, soil structure and soil texture. Soil formation are the sum total of environmental effects on rocks, collectively known as weathering of rocks. And the soil structure include physical characteristics of the soil like size of the soil particle, pore size, hydraulic conductivity of soil, etc. Soil texture is a physical property of the soil, and the texture is the soil particles size. We can discuss each and every one in detail. Soil formation. The process of formation of soil are slow, gradual and continuous. There are 5 important factors involved in the soil formation, that are parent material, climate, topography, biological activity and time. Soil formation are the sum total of environmental effects on rocks, that is known as weathering of rocks. The changes, disintegration and decomposition caused by the action of atmospheric agents on rocks and minerals or near the surface of earth is called weathering process. Weathering is of 3 types: physical or mechanical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. First one, physical or mechanical weathering. The rocks heat up during the day and cool down during the night. Okay. Heat during the day and cool during the night. Different minerals present in the rock expand during the day and contract during the night at different rate. So the rock expansion occurs in the day and the rock contraction occurs in the night. This expansion and contraction of minerals leads to the cracks on the rock surface. Okay. This is the physical or mechanical weathering. Then the second type, chemical process of weathering. The atmospheric gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen and water vapor react with the rocks and minerals and change to new minerals. Minerals means the naturally occurring inorganic material that have definite structure, composition and properties. Okay, that is the minerals. Third type of weathering, biological weathering. This involves the disintegration of bare rocks by the action of living organism and thus adding to the formation of soil. This involves series of steps. Lower forms of plants, algae and lichens inhabit the bare rocks since the lichens can grow in any extreme habitat. This organisms releases carbon dioxide which combines with water to form carbonic acid. The acid helps in the decomposition of soil minerals to form clay. This is a long-term process. As these organisms die, they get decomposed and add humus to the rock surface. So, it allows the growth of chemoorganotrophs. It leads to the formation of crevices on the rocks. Higher plants starts to grow in these crevices and adds to the organic matter. Thus, the parent rock becomes weathered and turns to soil. This is the biological weathering. Second property of the soil is the soil texture. Texture is the soil particles size. Otherwise, we can say the texture is the relative proportion of sand, silt, and clay for each soil. Texture is a physical property of the soil. The soil with medium texture, that is loams, is desirable for the plant growth. Texture not changed by the agricultural cultivation. A soil with a sandy texture has difficulty in retaining the water and thus nutrients are not made available to the plants. So, loamy soil, that is mixture of clay and sand. Okay. Loamy soil is the best textured soil for the crop cultivation. Okay. Loamy soil is a soil with medium texture and it is used for the crop cultivation. A clay soil is poorer in aeration and it reduces the plant growth. Okay. Textures are of three types: coarse structure, medium texture, and fine texture. Coarse texture have 80% clay and more than 65% sand. Medium texture have less than 35% clay and less than 65% sand. Fine texture means soil with a greater than 35% clay. Third property of the soil is the soil structure. Soil structure include physical characteristics of the soil like size of the soil particle, pore size, hydraulic conductivity of the soil, etc. Soil structure means the shape of the soil. Each individual unit of the soil structure is called bed. There are different types of soil structures which include granular, blocky, prismatic, columnar, platy soil, single grained, and massive soil. First one, granular soil. It is commonly found in surface horizon where roots growing. It is 0.5 centimeter in diameter and it resembles like biscuit crumbs. Second type, blocky soil. These are irregular blocks of soil with 1.5 to 5 centimeter in diameter. It is shown in figure. Then the third type, prismatic. It is many centimeter long and it is found in lower horizon. It is a vertical column of soil. Then the fourth type of structure is columnar. It is a vertical column of soil that have a salt cap at the top, and it is found in arid climates. Next type, platy soil. It is a thin flat plates of soil that lie horizontally, and it is found in compact soil. Then the sixth type, single grained soil. Soil is broken into individual particles that do not stick together. It is found in sandy soil, and it have loose consistency. And finally, massive soil. It has no visible structure and it is hard to break. So, these are the 7 structures of the soil. Today's topic is over. I think you got an idea about the properties of the soil. Thank you. Thank you all for watching this video.